welcome to UPSC Codified, your one-stop solution for mastering UPSC Mains answer writing. Today, we'll discuss a critical skill, that is, how to write a structured and impactful answer within the tight 6 to 7 minutes window, which you get for each question in the exam. That's right, just 6 to 7 minutes. So, preparation and strategy are key. Do you know that UPSC doesn't ask random questions? These questions are often based on recurrent themes. And if we identify the right framework to approach these themes, writing answer becomes much easier. In today's video, we'll explore one such approach, the geopolitical framework. This is an effective way to structure answers by considering points from this perspective. That is, geography, economy, polity, literature or legal aspects, technology, and culture. With this framework, we can think comprehensively and connect the dots to write an impressive answer. Let's get started with an actual question and apply this approach. So, today's question is, explain the role of geographical factors towards the development of ancient India. So, how do we decide that geopolitical approach is the right fit for this? The question asks about geographical factors and their roles. Geography touches multiple aspects of ancient India's trade, economy, culture, polity, and more. To comprehensively address this, the geopolitical approach helps us brainstorm across various dimensions. Let's break it down step by step. So, step 1 is think about geographical factors directly influencing ancient India. For example, forest. We used to get timber from forest for construction and medicines for healthcare. Next geographical factor is coast. Coast facilitated maritime trade and connected India to Southeast Asia, Rome, and Arabia. Next factor may be Himalayas, which acted as natural barriers and influenced the monsoon patterns. Next, rivers supported agriculture and trade. Ganga and Yamuna shaped settlements. Even peninsula was rich of minerals like iron ore that fueled tool making and urbanization. Next, step 2 would be connect geography to economic development. For example, iron ore and minerals. This enabled advancements in metallurgy, tools, and weapons. Monsoon supported an agrarian economy, and this can be justified by Harappan trade, which involved pottery and metallurgy as their key exports. Next step would be addressing political impact of geography. Mountains and rivers created natural political boundaries and regional kingdoms. Capitals like Patliputra located strategically near rivers for administration and communication. Next, we can write about geographical influence on literature and culture. Vedic literature gives reference for rivers like Ganga, and epics like Ramayana mentions forests like Dandakaranya. Sangam literature also highlights Tamil coast trade, etc. Geography deeply embedded in rituals, myths, and traditions of daily life in ancient India and in today's life as well. Geography also helped in cultural integration. For example, mountain passes, which linked India to Central Asia, Afghanistan, and Middle East. Coast also facilitated cultural exchanges with Rome, Southeast Asia, and Arabia. So you can see how easily the geopolitical framework helped us brainstorm comprehensively by systematically covering all dimensions. With this framework, we can ensure that no key points were missed and we can write a clear and structured answer. which will give a good impression on the examiner. But remember, not every question needs all dimensions to be equally deep. For this question, geography connects to everything. But in other questions, like one focusing on cultural advantages, we may need to tweak our depth accordingly. Don't worry, we will cover such variations in future videos. That's it for today. In the coming weeks, we will analyze past 7 to 10 years UPSC PYQs using this and other frameworks to help you prepare step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to UPSC Codified. Let's decode UPSC together. Till next time, happy studying and bye bye.